Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath meeting where the National Executive, where the UP BJP is concerned, meeting for the first time after the Lok Sabha debacle, the BJP 2024 debacle only in the state of Uttar Pradesh because the BJP performed lesser than what it had expected. If in 2019 it had got 63 seats, this time around it was 33, and that was up for discussion. Yogi Adityanath said that it's overconfidence and a shift in voter sentiment that led to the BJP's wipeout in Uttar Pradesh, or performance which was less than what they had expected. Rallying the party cadre, Yogi roared that the BJP flag must be hoisted again in Uttar Pradesh. Meanwhile, his deputy, Keshav Prasad Maurya, also stirred controversy with his Sangathan Sarkar Se Bada Hai statement. The deputy CM took a veil dig at the chief minister, or at least that is what is being speculated, suggesting that the BJP is an organization is bigger, way bigger than any government.
लेकिन जैसा वोटों की शिफ्टिंग होती है और कहीं पर जब हम लोग ये मान करके चलते हैं कि आत्मविश्वास में कि हम तो जीत ही रहे हैं, तो स्वाभाविक रूप से वहां पर कहीं न कहीं हमें खामियाजा भी भुगतना पड़ता है।
मैं सदा कहता था और आज इस प्रदेश कार्य समिति में मैं संगठन के वरिष्ठता हमारे देश के और प्रदेश के नेतृत्व के सामने कह रहा हूं, संगठन सरकार से बड़ा है। संगठन से बड़ा कोई नहीं होता है। संगठन सरकार से बड़ा है, बड़ा था, बड़ा रहेगा।
बीजेपी का कार्यकर्ता का आज बिल्कुल ये संकल्प है कि जुटकर 2027 में 2/3 नहीं 3/4 से चुनाव जीतेंगे, और निश्चित रूप में जो आज मार्गदर्शन मिला है राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी का और मुख्यमंत्री जी का, वो एक आत्मबल बढ़ाने वाला है।
All right, so this was the first time where the BJP's UP Working Committee was meeting to dissect on how things didn't go according to plan for the party in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Lots went down in that meeting. My colleague Samarth Srivastava is joining us live from Lucknow. Samarth, a lot was said in that particular meeting. At one end, there's a caution there by Yogi Adityanath suggesting that there was overconfidence that possibly killed the BJP's campaign. On the other hand, which many especially in political circles, are speculating as a jibe at his CM. His deputy, Keshav Prasad Maurya, said Sangathan is bigger than the government. So interesting there. But all in all, the BJP has now vowed to win the 10 by-poll seats which are going to be up for elections coming soon.
Well, Preeti, we have got some interesting statements coming in the previous executive meeting held in Lucknow of the BJP, where Yogi Adityanath at one hand is saying that overconfidence led to the damage in UP, and while Keshav Prasad Maurya is saying that Sangathan, that means the party, is above the government. And that's the thing, it's a thin line between the statements of Yogi Adityanath and the Keshav Prasad Maurya. But the bigger difficulty for the BJP now is the statements coming from the cabinet ministers, former MPs, which are worrisome for the party. Cabinet Minister Sanjay Nishant has questioned the bulldozer action happening in Lucknow, or is about to act in some places, and even claimed that the officers are not respecting the BJP MLAs, MPs, and even the workers. This is the biggest statement, right? Subrat Pathak, the former BJP MP from Kannauj, has even claimed that this Bhumafia thing is on the rise in Uttar Pradesh, and administration is not being able to do much in that particular contest. Also, a letter is viral on social media of the BJP MLC, where he has claimed that the teachers and the students in the various competitive exams are anguished with the Sapan party, and that also led to the fall of in the 2024 Lok Sabha election. So this is a big thing where we are seeing even the party leaders, even the cabinet ministers are questioning the government and also saying that there is a line between the administration and police, and they are not talking about that Keshav Prasad Maurya's statement is very clear. In the 2022 assembly elections, he even said that every worker is Keshav Prasad Maurya. He in a rally has clearly said, and the same message continues for Keshav Prasad Maurya, because he is the typical party man, and he has worked hard in 2017 Uttar Pradesh elections as the BJP UP chief. And now, when the scenario is coming where we are seeing situation where the BJP workers are quite unhappy with the government, especially in the context with the administration and the police. This statement of Keshav Prasad Maurya, in a way, shows
Well,
a lot
very
of
interesting
breakthrough for the
dynamics on really what's going on in the state of Uttar Pradesh. We're going to keep a keen eye, viewers, because this was the first time that the working committee of Uttar Pradesh BJP was meeting. And even though they all came together and vowed to win the 10 by-poll seats which are going to be up for election, the date of which has not been announced, there seemed to be underlying tension. It can be interpreted in various ways. We just showed you two examples there.